my name is Kavya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. That really motivates me a lot. So, welcome to the first episode of What Internet Influenced Me to Buy. Yes, I got influenced. I got influenced by the internet. I have recently purchased a lot of products that really was trending on internet. But today I have this brand. It is not drugstore or it is not a high-end brand, but trust me, they are nailing it. So recently I saw this post on my feed that it's a gel compact, and I was like, what? Gel compact? It just blurs out all the oiliness and all the sweating that you have on your face. And I was like, okay, I need to definitely have this and try it out and let you guys know how this product actually is. So guess what, I went to order this one single product and ordered this whole box of makeup product. Yes, I really did a lot of shopping, and this happens with me every time. What about you? Please do let me know in the comment section. You go to buy one product and do you end up purchasing a lot of products? If yes, please do comment down below. So by the end of this video, please do comment down below and let me know how the video was, because I'm planning to create a series on this. If at all I get a good comment or likes, I'm gonna be definitely having a series too on this topic. Also, if you want me to try any product and provide you the review, please do comment down below. I will definitely try them out for you. And let's just jump into the video. Okay, so the brand that I was talking about and the product that I'm gonna be showing you all in this video is from Mars. Let's stop buck and just jump into the video, because I am waiting to show you all the products that I ordered from Mars, because they are killing it, guys. Literally, I'm seeing so many of them using Mars, Swiss Beauty, Insights. They are actually coming out with new products every day. I can say every day. I don't know, they are really nailing it with the new inventions that they're doing, and I am really blown, because I have used their products in the past and there's a lot of difference in the product from the past and the current products that I'm using. So I was like, okay, it's the right time for me to try their products, and I have ordered so many of them. So let's have a look at one by one, and I'm also gonna be sharing the shade and what all I ordered. Okay, so here are all the products that I ordered from Mars. Let's go one by one. Okay, so the first product that I have with me is this Mars All I Need Makeup Kit. So this has bronzer, highlighter, blush and few shades of eyeshadow. Please tell me what more you need. The price of this is $3.99. There is no name on this palette as such, but I can see, I think this is the shade number. It's shade 1 and it has beautiful, look at the packaging, it's really minimal. It's not too exaggerating with all kind of designs or whatsoever. So you have the blush, you have the highlighter, bronzer and few shades of eyeshadow. Let me try these three. Oh my god, guys, this is so pigmented. Can you just have a look at this copper eyeshadow? It's so shining. It is really amazing. Oh my god, it's really good. I'm in just love with this palette. You have blush too, blush, highlighter and the bronzer. Can you see here? I just love this palette because this has everything that you need, and also it is really pigmented. You can build and create amazing looks with just one palette that I am showing you guys. And the price of this is also not that high. It's just $3.99, and you also get the manufacture date and also expiry date on the back side of the palette, which is really good. I can just say this is really worth buying it, and you must have this if you're a beginner to the makeup. Then you need to definitely have this. This is gonna be really helpful for you guys. Okay, so the next product that I ordered from Mars is this brush. This is the flat eyeshadow brush. I was really looking for one good eyeshadow brush. I already have, but still it's good to have the options. So I was like, why not, let's try this from Mars. कैसे निकालूं यार मैं इसको, अटक ही गया. ठीक है, तो wow, just look at this. And the size of this brush, I can see something written on it, which is BRE02, and this is really good. Yeah, you have this firm holding at the back, and it is quite heavy. It is really good to blend is what I can feel like. Let me just try it out. But it has a very nice bristles. So let me inaugurate this in this video. So I'm really looking for this copper shade, but I really don't want to ruin this brush with that, because yeah, let me just go with this brown shade. And right, oh my god, this blends really quickly. This is really good. It blends amazingly. So this brush is really good. You need to definitely have this, and I highly recommend this brush. It is really soft, and the bristles are really amazing. It's just like a butter. It just glides whatever the product that you pick in from this brush. So you need to definitely have this. So let's move on to the next product that I have. And the next product that I have here is this Mars liquid blush, and this is in the shade Dawn. How the packaging looks like, it's really like, you know, it's giving me the peachy vibe, and let's have a look at it. And the shade of this is 01. If you're really interested to purchase, then you can go for it. Okay, so this is how the blush looks like. So let's try this out. Please ignore my hand. I have a lot of eyeshadows. It is really amazing. I don't know how I can show you, but let me just apply this. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. It is so pigmented. I just love this. Can you see the difference? It's really pigmented. Okay, so I would like to say that this product is really good. It gives good pigment, and the color is really amazing. It's a very peachy blush, which I love it. But I somewhat feel that this product is really gimmicky, because they say that this is a liquid blush, but this is actually a cream blush. Was a liquid blush, it should be in a liquid form, but this is actually in a cream form. So ideally this should be a cream blush and not a liquid blush, is what I feel. Other than that, there's no other complaint. I just love this. You need to definitely try this, and if you want the product link, please do comment down below. I will definitely share it with you all. Okay, so let's move on to the next product. The next product that I have from Mars is the eyeshadow palette. So I ordered not one but two eyeshadows from them, and they are really good. One has really pop-up colors, and the other has fully nude, and I really wanted to try them all because I heard so much about this brand, and I was like, let me give it a try on the eyeshadows as well, because I have already used their foundation. Their foundation is so good, and I really wanted to have the other products from them too. What? Okay, so this is a makeup kit again. How many makeup kits do they have? Okay, so this is like, you have the eyeshadow here, and this was a surprise for me because I was expecting, or I was thinking that this is a eyeshadow, but this also has the blush and the highlighter, which is like win and win to me. Okay, so whatever it is, just look at the colors, man. This is actually good to try new makeup look, new eye look basically. uh, you are gonna see a lot of videos coming up, especially the makeup videos, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of makeup videos, and you will be able to see 5 videos at least in a week. And I think, I promise, I will do it. I will definitely do it. And let's not forget, we have another makeup kit, which is this. Let me just open it. मेरे को ना, मुझे अनबॉक्स करना बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन I just don't like to, open these boxes which doesn't have that opener. You know what I'm trying to say? Okay, I think if I find something like that, I will definitely let you know. You will have that opening mark or something like that. There'll be little gap so that you can just open the box. But this doesn't have it. It is really difficult for me to open. I don't know about others, but for me, it is little frustrating. Wow, guys, you need to have this. Look at the colors. Oh my god. Pink, red, orange, green, yellow, name it, and you have the color. It is really amazing, and they also have this beautiful blush and highlighter. Amazing. I'm really waiting to do makeup videos using all these products. So I'm just excited to try this pink and also the red color. So let me just, already my hand is filled with color, but let me utilize this section. And do you see the pigment? This is amazing, guys. You need to have all these products with you. I don't know, but you need to definitely try them all. It's really amazing. It's just mind blowing. It's just mind blowing. You need to have them. Trust me. Okay, so after all those explode of makeup that I just saw and was amazed with, let's move on to the next product. And the next product that I have from Mars are these two lip liners. I think one of them I've already used it, and this is how the lip liner looks like. The lip liner shade that I have is Peachy Glow. It's a really nice, you know, uh, it's more like a mauve color, but in a deep darker side. It's really good to lip line. It is really amazing. And the next that I have is the Barbie Bold, and let me just show you all. So this is more into the pink palette. So this is like baby pink, but again in a deeper section. So these two are really amazing color. I'm gonna definitely do a separate short video on all of these products so that you can have a look at all these products individually, so you get to watch it in detail. Okay, so the next product that I have from Mars is this matte mousse lip shade. Yes, this is what I was talking about. You know, you need to have this opener in all the product boxes so that it is easy to open and you don't have to, do a lot of effort to open the box of the product. So this is how the lipstick looks like. Before trying out the product, I should definitely say that the packaging is really good. The packaging, the formulation, and the product that they're coming out with are really amazing. So let's try this out now. Okay, so this is more like a matte and powdery lipstick. From the look that I can say, yes, it is actually creamy matte powdery lipstick, and it is really good. It just blurs out and it gives that nice effect to your lip. I love this. It is really good, but again, I think this is not of my shade. It doesn't really go with my complexion, but I can definitely make use of this by combining multiple lipsticks and I can work with this. But yeah, this is how the lipstick looks like. Okay, so now I have the final hero product for which we went onto the website hunting for it, and finally I got it, which is this Mars makeup setter and blotter. People are going crazy on this. So this was the viral product and I saw so many influencers trying this and I was like, I need to definitely have this. So this has, here you have the puff, and this is how the product looks like. Okay, so this sponge soft texture, so let's try this out. It's a gel compact. I'm really excited. So okay, so you can see there is a oil or maybe the reflection that you can see here, and it's time to try this. Do you see that? This side of my face is so shiny and you can see the oil on my face, and here it is so matte and it just blurred out everything on my face. Are you serious? Are you serious? Guys, what is this? I am really blown with this product. What is this? This is a hit product. Trust me, it is a hit product. I'm not kidding. I'm really not kidding. You can just see this part of my face is so matte and this is so oily. How can they come out with this product which is so good and it's just mind blowing? I just love this. I'm gonna definitely put this in my handbag and gonna carry it everywhere because this is an hit product. I think everybody should try this. I now get it why this product was so viral on the internet and why didn't I try this before. I really regret it, but now that I have it, I'm really happy I get to use it. It's really amazing, guys. You need to definitely have this. Please go to their website and order this. You're gonna really thank me. Oh, Yummy! I'm so happy I really got hands on this product and I just love this. So yes, I'm happy with all the products that I ordered, and if you want the link of any of this product, please do comment down. I will definitely share it with you all. And please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video of the short. Until then.
Take off your shoes and step on the bed.